Hello friends. Whenever we're working inside a studio doing photography or video, especially when we're using green screens, we need very good light. In fact, video and photography wouldn't exist if it wasn't for light. But in a studio we have to manage lighting very well. And these lights are very expensive. You don't need just one or two, you need a good amount, both for lighting the background, lighting my face, lighting my body. All that has a very high cost. But in this video I want to show you how to make a pair of soft boxes for a small studio with very little expense. We're going to use recycled materials, cardboard boxes, cables from old PCs, and things like that. Come and watch. To connect this wiring to an outlet, I'm not going to buy any cable. I'm going to use these old PC connectors. I cut it here. From here we connect it to a double switch to put the lights on and off. From where we'll take it to the outlet. Luckily, this building has moldings both in the cement, in the concrete over there, and with a wood molding over here. So I can place a piece of wood there in between the roof and the moldings, and it supports this structure very well, very firmly. And now all we have to do is connect the wires, and we'll test it to see how it works. Okay, that seems to be much too hard, so we have to cover the lights. And for that, I have cut different types of acrylics that I can test to see which one fits best, which one gets the best light, the softer light. And let's see. That still is hard light, but it's much softer. Let's see with the other one. It's a thicker acrylic. And that's much softer. And it has this other acrylic that should be softer still. There we are. Well friends, that's it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please remember, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.